fit fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 2 of our Fit Body April challenge. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart and the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. We are going to be working on the arms and shoulders in this one. Just make sure that you are hydrated and energized for this workout. Keep pulling in your abs towards the spine with all moves so that we keep them engaged the whole time. So continue marching, feeling your heart rate going up, and we are going to be beginning with arm circles. So beginning right now, we shall begin with the front, 15 seconds per side, pulling in your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing, and we are going to be rotating in the other direction, so move them backwards, feeling those muscles working, your arms working. This is going to be quite a quick one, and we are going to be moving into a squat and punches. So you will get into that squatting position and you will begin punching. If this is a very complex for you, just do these punches in standing position. So pulling in those abs towards the spine, we are doing 30 seconds of these, working on those legs as well as those arms, those shoulders. Just punch only to as far as you can and keep going. Just give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and get back up. We are going to get into speed bags, 30 seconds of speed bags. This is quite a HIIT exercise, so just make sure you are energized like I told you. So just keep going, giving me those speed bags, abs towards the spine, feeling your arm muscles working. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get into position. We are going to begin arm raises. So we shall begin up and down, up and down. 30 seconds of these, guys. Pulling in those abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. You can feel free to do these longer, by the way, if you want them more challenging. Continue going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out. Moving into drums. So you're going to drum, you know, as if you are drumming, that drummer's movement, working on those arms, using your arm muscles, pulling your abs towards the spine. We are doing 30 seconds of these. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out, guys. Catching that breath and preparing. We are going to be repeating this set one more time, and we shall be beginning with the arm circles, beginning just about now. So you will get into position, beginning from the back to the front in this direction, pulling in those abs towards the spine. 15 seconds to the front, and we are going to be changing directions to the back. And next we shall be moving on to that squat with the punches. If it is complex for you, do punch when you're standing. So just get into position and you will begin punching only as hard as you can, feeling those arm muscles, shoulder muscles working, as well as those legs combined. So just keep going, giving me 30 seconds of these, guys. Yeah, and keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up and straight into the speed bag. pulling in those abs towards the spine. 30 seconds of the speed back, guys. Don't give up, don't give in. Quite intense, but it's gonna be short, guys. Don't worry, keep going. You're doing amazing. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax it out, getting into those arm raises. So we shall begin with up and down, up and down. Keep going. My arms are on fire actually. I don't know how you guys are feeling, but keep going. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out, guys. Catch that breath, getting into the drama. So just get into position and we shall begin. Drumming, pulling in those abs towards the spine. Keep breathing, keep going. This is the last one, guys. Don't worry, before we head into that stretch. Keep going, don't give up, don't give in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. We are gonna be stretching it out right now, beginning with that shoulder arm stretch. So we are stretching out each arm, holding it right there for 30 seconds. You can do some wrist rotations while at it, feeling that gentle stretch in your arms. They've done a very amazing job, so just keep stretching them out. And we shall keep it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other side. Keep going. Well done. My arms are really on fire, but I know those muscles will be happy after this one. So just continue going. Keep stretching it out. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get back. We want to do that upward stretch. So just reach out to the ceiling and raising your hands to as far as you can get, pulling in those abs towards the spine, and we want to be holding this for another 30 seconds, guys. Just continue stretching it out, feeling good, feeling that good stretch in your shoulders, in your arms. Make sure you're balancing up. Keep stretching it out there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Get done, and a high five if you've made it this far with me. Thank you very much for joining me, and well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media. Invite them over so that we get into this challenge together, because together everyone achieves more, and we need to motivate each other to keep fit. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye. Ooh.